In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize the first letter in Excel cells. This is a handy trick for anyone looking to ensure uniformity and professionalism in their spreadsheets. Whether you're tidying up a list of names, organizing product descriptions, or simply looking to enhance your data presentation, this guide will walk you through easy methods using Excel's built-in tools. First, open your Excel file with the data you'd like to modify. Once you have your file ready, let's dive into two different methods you can use to capitalize those first letters. The first method utilizes Excel's Flash Fill feature, which is both intuitive and efficient. Start by typing the corrected version of your text, where the first letter is capitalized in the cell next to your dataset. As you move to the next cell and begin typing the updated version again, Excel should automatically recognize the pattern you're creating. When Excel suggests filling the rest of the column with your corrected format, simply press Enter to accept the suggestion. This allows Excel to automatically fill in the entire column with the new format. If Excel doesn't automatically pick up the pattern, or if you prefer more manual control, you can activate Flash Fill manually. Navigate to the Data tab, then click on Data Tools and choose Flash Fill. Alternatively, a faster way to invoke Flash Fill is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E, which triggers this feature instantly. This way, you maintain control over the process and can double-check Excel's suggestions before applying them. The second method involves using the Proper function in Excel, which is great for those who prefer working with formulas. Start by clicking on a new cell where you want the corrected text to appear. Type in the formula equals proper open parenthesis, A2 close parenthesis, where A2 is the cell reference you want to change. Hit Enter, and you'll see that the Proper function capitalizes the first letter of each word in that cell. If you want to apply this to a range of cells, use the Fill handle, which is the small square at the bottom right of the selected cell, to drag the formula down. This action extends the formula to the other cells in your column, saving you time and effort. Both of these methods offer simple yet powerful ways to clean up your data in Excel and can be particularly useful for large data sets. By mastering these techniques, you can enhance your data presentation and ensure consistent formatting throughout your spreadsheets. Thank you for watching, and be sure to try these methods the next time you need to tidy up your data in Excel.